Hey kids, welcome to Junior's Earth, and today I'm gonna show you how to draw an octopus. So firstly, you have to make a big circle. This is enough big. Now two big eyes. With a tiny smiley face. And can you say octopus has how many legs? Yes, I know you know that. An octopus has 8 legs. So I'm gonna draw all the legs. Here's the first one. Keep counting. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow! All 8 legs are done. Our drawing is done. Now let's outline. Wow, the octopus has big eyes with a nice reflection in it. And let's remove all the pencil marks. Okay, our outlining is done. Now we can start coloring. Can you see which color I'm using to color the octopus? Yes, you're right. This is purple. coloring the rest with a lighter purple. And this is how you can draw an octopus. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, cause we upload new videos every week.